How to block or remove someone on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. In today's video, we are going through this step to block or remove someone from Snapchat. So let's just start without any delay for that. So what we can do for that is go to your Friends tab or go to your Chats tab. You can tap on this Chat tab right here from your dashboard, and it should open up the chat page with all of your friends available here with whom you may be maintaining your streak and everything. So if you want to remove or block them, the easiest method is you can head over to their profile. You can directly tap on their profile and it should open up this, and within here you'll be finding different options available. Now what you may do is you may just scroll to the given options and look out for your profile, and in order to remove them you can look out for the three dot in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. After you tap on it, a menu appears on your screen. Now what you need to do from here is basically look out for the option called Manage Friendship on your screen and tap on it, and it will directly give you option to remove or block them. So if you'd like to block them, you can select the option for block, but if you want to remove them, you can select the option of remove. After that, you can just go ahead and confirm remove, and that should remove them as a friend. If you'd like to block them, you can follow up the same process. Reach over here, click on the three dot in the top right corner. After that, select the option of Manage Friendship from the given menu, and then select the option of block, and then you can just go ahead and confirm this block by tapping on this block pop up on your screen, and that way you can block or unblock someone and remove them as friends. Same goes for other people as well. Go to their profile, tap on it. From there, look for the three dot in the top right corner, and from here just go to Manage Friendship and select the option of block or remove friend, and that's it. And that is pretty easy. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.